Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel AHCC Health. Here is Dr GA Siddiqui, a cause-based genomic homeopath. Today I will share the best health tips and a special trio medicine for a specific problem and emergency. Let's begin your journey to better health together. Today I am going to wanna tell you about organ targeted trio medicine and nature healing, especially used in emergency. Cardiac arrest. Today I will describe the cardiac arrest sign and symptoms and its treatment. The sign and symptoms of the cardiac arrest: sudden collapse, unconsciousness, no breathing or pulse. Sign: no cardiac pulse, no breathing sound, skin turns blue or pale. Firstly, call the emergency in 1122. Start CPR, 30 chest compression plus 2 breath. Start the homeopathic medicine, Econite 1 m directly 2 drops on tongue. When the patient fear, anxiety and breathless. Writum album 1 m 2 drop directly on tongue. For the sign and symptom of collapse, weakness, pale skin, cold sweating. Cactus 1 m, squeezing, contraction pain, gripping on chest pain. These signs and symptoms especially found during the cardiac arrest. Thank you for watching ACC Health. I, Dr. GA Siddiqui, hope these health tips and trio medicine help you in emergency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert advice, and stay healthy and take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.